Hello everyone, welcome to Career Chronicles. This is Aishwarya. Today I'm highly humbled to share that I have joined Northeastern University, Boston for my Masters in Engineering Management Fall 2023. So this video will be about my journey. Well, the 6 initial important steps that you need to consider before applying for any university. When I started, I was totally clueless. I didn't have any idea where to begin. But guess what? We got your back. We Career Chronicles are here to support and guide you in securing an admission at your dream university. So before getting into the video, I would suggest you to subscribe, comment and share for further information related to higher education and career path. Step 1. Understand your passion. So in order to understand your passion, ask these 3 questions yourself. What are your career goals? Which program you're going to pursue? Are your career goals aligned with the program that you're going to opt for? For instance, let's say you want to be a product manager. So in that case, obtaining a course from computer science or engineering management, which one will help you out in order to achieve your goal as a product manager? So this is how your analysis should be. I have heard a lot of people saying that I have joined this university or this program because my friends are here or my seniors or relatives are here. Just because you're getting a constructive guide doesn't mean that you have to follow the same lane. So you need to understand your passion and then take a call on the program that you're going to pursue. Step 2, research. So research is something that's more important when you are going to pursue a master's degree in the United States of America. So in order to complete step 2, I would suggest you to create an Excel sheet, type down all the university that you're going to apply for. The first column should have the ranking of the university. Yes, each and every university will be having a ranking based on several factors such as the reputation of the university, student-faculty ratio, international student ratio, the research output and so on. So based on that, each and every university will be having a ranking. So the first column in the Excel sheet should have the ranking of the university, followed by the ranking of the subject that you're going to opt for. Yes, you do have the ranking of the subject. For example, you want to pursue computer science at Columbia University, New York. Then the ranking of the computer science at Columbia University, New York is important. So step 3 is analyze the living expenses and the tuition fees. So hope you heard me right, because you should give the first priority to living expenses. Because regarding the tuition fees, you'll be getting a breakdown from the university in your I-20, whereas living expenses is a kind of myth everywhere. You should analyze before getting into the city. For instance, I'm here in Boston, so I'm just paying around $700 per month for a shared bedroom. Whereas if it's going to be New York, it'll be more than that. When it's going to be Dallas, it differs. So making an analysis before coming here is very important. So this will definitely help you out while making a decision in order to come to the specific university or the state that you're going to pursue. Step 4, networking. So I suggest you to network as much as possible, because you'll be having a lot of questions where the answers may not be very perfect for you, or you may not get a standardized answer for the questions that are running in your head. So when you make a kind of connection with a person who is pursuing the same course at the specific university that you are going to apply, then believe me, we are the best resource ever, because that's what I did. So networking is the most important part while you are stepping towards a higher education journey. Yes. Step 5 is about the qualifying exams you need to concentrate on. So a lot of exams people used to suggest. So GRE and TOEFL is something that is very standard. Well, TOEFL, IELTS and Duolingo, we have 3 exams. So it suggests you to get into the official website of the university and just analyze which exams they are accepting. Few university does not accept IELTS. Few university doesn't do so with Duolingo. So just get an official website, make an analysis. So while talking about the exams like GRE and TOEFL, I just prepared with the help of the website called Magoosh. You have a lot of number of websites, websites as well as YouTube channel out there for free. Telling you out there, you have a kind of standardized mock test, things that are needed for the test are available over there. So yeah, that's a small tip. And step 6 is gathering the documents. So this step 6 is something it's very important. After completing your analysis of living expenses, which program you're going to opt, connection, everything, after this you're going to get into the part of gathering the documents. So what are the important documents that you're going to have is S.O.P, that is statement of purpose. So that I have heard a lot of people saying that your S.O.P matters a lot. So you have around 70 to 80% of acceptance based on your S.O.P. So the S.O.P should be very perfect. It should have the meaning why you want to pursue this program at this specific university. So there should be a kind of justification over there in the S.O.P. Yeah. So I suggest you to have 3 letters of recommendation from your faculty members or from your managers. So it totally depends. So you can have 3 letters of recommendation because I had 3. And resume, updated resume, which should not be more than 1 page. Yeah. So these are the 3 important documents that you will be in need while applying for universities. So I'd like to give you a bonus tip, the last one. So which is like apply as early as possible, because I have heard a lot of people saying that when you apply early, there are around 60 to 70% of acceptance rate. They have an idea, they have a lot of time when you apply early, so they just review it like a kind of first come first serve. It's not for every university, it depends. So in a few universities they also have priority deadlines, so when you're going to do that, you have high rate of acceptance. Yeah. So whatever I have mentioned in this video, all sort of links, all sort of resources that I have mentioned, it's available in the description box. As well as if you want to connect with me, you can just click on the link down in the TOPMATE. We have a link called TOPMATE. You can just click and we can connect and we can talk about the higher education questions that you have. And yeah, feel free to comment. Yes. So for more videos like this, I would suggest you to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.